The program gives people an opportunity to get their foot in the door to one of the local businesses here. For example, they go for a 6-week program, and then after that they have 2 weeks at a local employer, and the idea is for them to find full-time permanent employment.
This program helped me out. They updated my information so that I knew how to work in a distribution center rather than a manufacturing.
The course leaders have done a good job setting out the program. When they see different candidates come into the course, they're very well versed of which ones sort of go to each workplace, which helps us because then we're doing interviews on ones that are interested and have the skills for our workplace.
I was looking into driving. Machinery was what I wanted to do in the warehouse next. With the program, they actually give you a foot in and get you some licensing to start with. Trying to get a job is hard, but having support behind you the whole way and making sure that you get a job, they stand beside you for a year to make sure that you're okay. Nothing's going to do that for you like they do.